Let's take a look at this problem for practicing on how to find rate of change. It states here on January 16, Bill started the spring semester with a full tank of gas in his car and 45,782 miles on the odometer. On the last day of the semester, he noted 48,342 miles on the odometer. He was charged $575 for insurance over the 5 months of the semester and required 91 gallons of gas for the commutes to Southwest Tech. So here's the information that we just went through. The first example is asking us to determine the car's rate of gas consumption in miles per gallon. So here is our rate of change that we're looking for. We need to identify the units, and to determine the miles driven, we have the odometer readings to provide us that information. So we have a little preliminary step here involving a subtraction to determine the actual distance the car was driven during the semester. The gallons is 91 gallons of use for the commute. As I said, simplifying those odometer readings gives us the total mileage for the commutes per gallon and shows us when we do the indicated division, numerator 2,560 divided by 91 gives us the following value, which we can write out the units. We can express it as a ratio or fraction, or oftentimes we see a common abbreviation of MPG for miles per gallon. Continuing on with this same problem, the next question asks us to determine the average cost of the insurance in dollars per month. This indicates what units will go where in our rate. So we have cost, which is dollars per month, identifying the information. In this third bullet point, it shows that he was charged $575. That will be the cost in dollars per the unit of time, which time is the 5 months, and then a matter of simplifying this rate by taking again numerator divided by the denominator results in $115 per month is his expense for insurance. Using the same information again, this next problem states, assuming Bill drove to Southwest Tech 64 days during the spring semester, determine the rate of travel in miles per day. So the rate that we will use is miles per day, expressed here as a fraction. The day part is straightforward. We see that given 64 days of travel, the mileage, again, if we remember it from the first step, we have to pull that information from the odometer readings with a subtraction, and simplifying results in that 2,560 miles divided by the number of days driven. Simplifying this rate with a division of numerator by denominator results in an average of 40 miles per day.